साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ 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 साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। 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 ॐ
Dear devotees, you are about to embark on the greatest journey of your life, a journey to the core of your inner being. Please, all in a low voice, follow the Omkar and let your mind reach a quietude of silence. All together, let us repeat the Pranava. sit up straight, and in the quietness of your mind, hear the sound of your breathing. Breathe in and out. In, out. Now, open your eyes and see the light in front of you. This is the light of a candle. Gaze intently at the light. Now, feel the light shining in the center of your forehead. Now half close your eyes and feel the light in the center of your forehead. Now, let that light come down your neck to the center of your chest. Imagine a flower, a lotus, opening petal by petal to receive the light. Now the light is resting on the lotus. The lotus disappears, only the light remains. But it is no more the light of the candle. It is a round ball of formless light. It is a light of divinity within you. Feel this light now expand, and feel the light going down your body, into your legs, up to your feet. Feel warmth as the light surges through your limbs. And make this mental vow, O Lord, my legs, touched by the light of your divinity, will always take me only to places of goodness. Feel the light surging upwards, up into your chest, around your shoulders, and down into your arms and fingers. Feel the warmth as this light surges through you. Make this mental vow, O Lord, my arms, touched by the light of your divinity, will only yearn to do what is good. Now feel the light surging upwards, into your neck, and into your face, into your head, and the light now shines in your eyes. Make a vow. My eyes must yearn to see only what is good. Feel the light now shining in your ears. My ears must yearn to hear only what is good. Feel the light now shining on your lips. My lips must yearn to only speak what is good. Now, feel this light now shining into your whole body. The light illumines the body. In your mind, repeat the words, the light is in me. Now feel the light expand. Expand, and you are now sitting in a ball of light, in a cone of formless light. Let your mind say, the light is within me, I am in the light. Feel a thrill of this light, and now feel this light expanding and filling this entire room with a divine glow. And let this light now go beyond this room, beyond and beyond, spreading ever further to this whole country, and beyond this country, beyond oceans and beyond nations. Let this light flow ever outwards to encompass the whole world. Now, imagine yourself, not your physical body, but an inner being within you, like a gigantic divine form, sitting on the globe, and the light of your divinity, the light of your love encompassing the whole world. Stay for a moment, thrilled in that thought. Now, bring into your mind's eye and send your light of love to all the creatures of the world, all the animals and insects, creatures that fly or crawl, all of them are God's creatures. Send your light of love now to those whom you dislike or whom you think dislike you. Send your love, send your light of love to them. The same Atma in you is also in them. Let them feel the radiance of your light. Let them feel the radiance of your love. Now, into your mind's eye, bring those you love, your spouse, children, relations, friends, whoever. Bathe them with the divine glow of your love. Feel oneness with the whole world. Feel at peace with yourself. And now, look inside you. Can you imagine? Do you see a ball of light within you? In this ball of light, bring in the form of the Ishtadeva, the divine being that you love and worship. See this form smiling within you. See this divine form raise his hands in blessing. You have shared your love with the world. Now, receive the blessing and darshan of the divine within. Stay for a moment, thrilled in this thought that you and he are one.
Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ श्रीभास्कराय विद्महे साईदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सूर्यः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ प्रेमात्मनाय विद्महे हिरण्यगर्भाय धीमहि तन्नः सत्यः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
أكبر أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله حي على الصلاة حي على الصلاة حي على الفلاح حي على الفلاح الله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله.
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory, forever and ever. Amen.
आज्ञा भैया काल की कभी चलायो बंद सब सीखन को गम है गुरु मानियो ग्रंथ गुरु ग्रंथ जी मानियो प्रगट पुरा की जो प्रभु को मिले वो चाहे कोट शब्द मिले राज करेगा कारसा आती रहे न कोई वार हुए सब मिलेंगे बचे शरण जो होए वाहे गुरु नाम जहाँ रहे चढ़े सौंदर्य पार जो शरदा कर सेव दे गुर पार उतारन हार जो शरदा कर सेव दे गुर पार उतारन हार बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि धर्मं शरणं गच्छामि संघं शरणं गच्छामि ॐ नमो अरिहन्तानं ॐ नमो सिद्धानं ॐ नमो आर्ययानं ॐ नमो गजायानं नमो ये सब साहुरं ये सोपं नमो कायो सर्व पाप विनाशयो
अत्रीणात्वा कृमे हन्मि कण्वेन जमदग्निना विश्वावसोर्ब्रह्मणा हतः कृमीणागुं राजा अप्येषागस्थपतिर्हतः अथो माताथो पिता अथो स्थूरा अथो क्षुद्राः अथो कृष्णा अथो श्वेताः अथो आशातिका हताः श्वेताभिः सह सर्वे हताः आहरावद्य श्रितस्य हविषो यथा तत्सत्यं यदमुय्यमस्य जम्भयोः आदधामि तथा हि तत् खण्फण्मृषि ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः।
लम्बोदरा हे विनायका लम्बोदरा हे विनायका लम्बोदरा हे विनायका लम्बोदरा हे विनायका विघ्नहरण
त्रयी वृंदावन साई, त्रिभुवन पाला साई, त्रयी वृंदावन साई, त्रिभुवन पाला साई, गुणातीता रूपवर्जिता, गुणातीता रूपवर्जिता, सद्गुरु श्री सत्य साई, सद्गुरु श्री सत्य साई, प्रेमदाई शांतिदाई, प्रेमदाई शांतिदाई, त्रयी वृंदावन साई, त्रिभुवन पाला साई, त्रयी वृंदावन साई, गुणातीता रूपवर्जिता, सद्गुरु श्री सत्य साई, प्रेमदाई शांतिदाई, प्रेमदाई शांतिदाई, त्रयी वृंदावन साई।
वेदमाता गायत्री,
माता गायत्री,
वेदमाता गायत्री,
माता गायत्री,
हंसवाहिनी जगत जननी,
हंसवाहिनी
हंसवाहिनी जगत जननी,
हंसवाहिनी जगत जननी,
वेदमाता गायत्री,
माता गायत्री,
अम्बा लक्ष्मी दुर्गा काली, माता गायत्री
माता गायत्री
अम्बा लक्ष्मी दुर्गा काली
अम्बा लक्ष्मी दुर्गा काली
जय हो जननी साई माता
जय हो जननी साई माता
हंसवाहिनी जगत जननी
हंसवाहिनी जगत जननी
हंसवाहिनी जगत जननी
हंसवाहिनी जगत जननी
वेदमाता गायत्री I only have one message for you. Love all survive.
I only have one message for you. Love all survive.
I only have one message for you. Love all survive.
I only have one message for you. Love all survive.
Love all
विठ्ठला साई नारायणा हे पांडुरंगा परतिवासा विठ्ठला साई नारायणा हे पांडुरंगा परतिवासा विठ्ठला साई नारायणा विठ्ठला 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 साई नारायणा घनश्याम नंद गोपाला घनश्याम नंद गोपाला
with Sai is an endless hope. Life without Sai is a hopeless end. In this time and moment, how are we to live with Sai? This timeless classic of Sant Kabir Das has the answer. Moko kahan dhoonde re bande, O friend, where do thou search for me? मैं तो तेरे पास में, I am near you. मैं हूँ विश्वास में, I am in your faith. मैं तो तेरे श्वास में, I am in your every breath. This secret has been unraveled by Swami for us through his life and message. And all of his life and message is embedded in his sweet name, S-A-I. Join us on this journey to unravel this secret.
मेरे साई मन मेरो लागे ना तेरे बिना रे अखियाँ तेरे दर्शन की प्यासी मन मेरो लागे ना तेरे बिना रे मन मेरो लागे ना तेरे बिना रे अखियाँ तेरे दर्शन की प्यासी अखियाँ तेरे दर्शन की प्यासी जीवन ज्योत जलाओ साई मेरे जीवन ज्योत जलाओ साई मेरे मन मेरो लागे ना तेरे बिना रे तेरी छवि अति सुंदर केश ये है घुंघराले निराले नयन कमल अति मोहक मादक रंजित ये अधरारे इस छवि को हम मन में रख कर तेरे गुण को गाए तेरे गुण को गाए मन मंदिर में आओ साई मन मंदिर में आओ साई साई भगवान दर्शन दिखाओ साई भगवान दर्शन दिखाओ
Swami, we, your children, miss your beautiful form amidst us. Where have you left us for? Where can we find you?
ढूंढे रे बंदे मैं तो तेरे पास में ना तीरथ में ना मूरत में ना एकांत निवास में मुझको कहा ढूंढे रे बंदे मैं तो तेरे पास में मैं तो
search for me. I am right next to you. Look around. I am the indweller of every being. Serve every fellow man, and through service you shall live with me.
हर प्राणी में साई हर प्राणी में बाबा सब प्रेम करो सब प्रेम करो मेरा साईं प्रसन्न होगा दीन दुखियों से प्रेम करो मेरा साईं प्रसन्न होगा दीन दुखियों से प्रेम करो मेरा साईं प्रसन्न होगा मेरा साईं प्रसन्न होगा मेरा साईं प्रसन्न होगा मेरा साईं प्रसन्न होगा मेरा साईं प्रसन्न मुझको कहाँ ढूंढे रे बंदे मैं तो हूँ विश्वास में मैं तो हूँ विश्वास में अल्लाह अकबर ఏడుకొండలవాడ వెంకటరమణ గోవింద గోవింద హర మహాదేవ్ హర హర మహాదేవ్ हालेलुया प्रेज बी द लॉर्ड
जो बोले सोनिहाल सत श्री अकाल।
बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि जो नाम चाहो वो नाम बोलो
My child, not only do I reside in all, I also reside in your faith, Vishwas. Call me by any name and I shall respond to you. Chant my name from a heart suffused with love and feeling. Through adoration, you shall live with me.
प्रेम से बोलो भाव से बोलो गोविंद बोलो गोपाल बोलो गोविंद बोलो गोपाल बोलो राम राम बोलो हरि राम बोलो राम राम बोलो हरि राम बोलो अल्लाह साईं शो नानक अल्लाह साईं शो नानक बंदे मैं तो तेरे श्वास में, मैं तो तेरे श्वास में।
I am within you as the sound that reverberates through the cosmos. Become one with that sound, and you shall be one with me.
शयन सपन में साइयों, शयन सपन में साइयों, गगन पवन में साइयों, गगन पवन में साइयों, नयन नयन में साइयों, नयन नयन में साइयों, नयन नयन में साइयों, नयन नयन में साइयों।
This Om resides in every breath of your being. I am in your every breath in the form of Soham. Let this be your constant mantra to remind you how close I am to you. Through this illumined mind, you will live with me. Soham, Soham.
सोहम सोहम याद करो, सोहम सोहम याद करो, सोहम ब्रह्मा सोहम विष्णु, सोहम ब्रह्मा सोहम विष्णु, सोहम साई ध्यान करो, सोहम साई ध्यान करो, सोहम आत्मा शिव परमात्मा, सोहम आत्मा शिव परमात्मा, ब्रह्मानंद से हृदय भरो, ब्रह्मानंद से हृदय भरो, सोहम सोहम याद करो,
My dear one, living with Sai means to live in S, service, A, adoration, and I, illumination. Through this service, I am close to you.
मैं तो तेरे पास में,
Through adoration, I am dear to you.
मैं तो विश्वास में,
Through illumination, you and I are one.
मैं तो तेरे श्वास में
गोविंद बोलो हरि गोपाल बोलो, गोविंद बोलो हरि गोपाल बोलो,
गोविंद बोलो हरि गोपाल बोलो,
गोविंद बोलो हरि गोपाल बोलो,
गोविंद बोलो हरि गोपाल बोलो,
गोविंद बोलो हरि गोपाल बोलो, गोविंद बोलो हरि गोपाल बोलो, गोविंद बोलो हरि गोपाल बोलो, गोविंद बोलो हरि गोपाल
भाव से बोलो, मेरा साईं प्रसन्न होगा, मेरा साईं प्रसन्न होगा।
My humble pranams at the lotus feet of my most beloved Hriday Nivasi, Bhagavan Shri Satya Sai Baba. Jai Salam to you all. Today is an auspicious day known as Makar Sankranti. So what is Makar Sankranti? It is when the sun moves from the south to north. So this day is celebrated as an auspicious festival, namely celebrating the sun god Surya. Although there are rituals observed on this day, Bhagwan urges us to be fully concerned with the inward journey. He reminds us that with every sunrise, our own physical life journey is nearing its end. He says that in a heart which is pure and steady, the sun of intellect enters. One's northward journey means to turn the intellect inward, towards the heart. This journey is called the quest for liberation. Let us use this occasion of the summer solstice to fix our vision on God and to see every sunrise as a reminder of the blessing of this life and its opportunity for goodness each day. So, within the SAI organization, due to the significance of this day, it is a day that's used to announce a launch or a change. I will be announcing the new coordinators team shortly. Before I do, I'd like to take this opportunity to offer my heartfelt gratitude to Bhagwan for allowing me to serve in this capacity for the last 4 years. I have never paid importance to the title, but merely see myself as a servant to the Lord. I pray that I be blessed to continue to serve as per His divine will. I have always said it has been a team effort, so I'd like to show my appreciation to the fantastic coordinators and the team we have behind the scenes, who have given me a lot of love and support. This year, of course, has been very different, where with Bhagwan's grace, we have been able to bring the center's activities to you all online. This wouldn't have been possible without the technical team who I've had the pleasure to work with closely. They have definitely risen to the challenge put before them and have been a shining example in the midst of what surrounds us. I offer my thanks to their dedication and commitment in keeping us all connected. I'm sure you know you do not need a role or title to be part of Bhagwan's divine mission. Therefore, I encourage all, especially the youth, to come forward and serve in the name of Sai, which is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Today, I have the pleasure of announcing the new coordinators for Naba Road Sai Centre for the forthcoming term. Normally at the centre, we would invite each new coordinator to the front to take Bhagwan's blessings. But on this occasion, do join me in welcoming a new team online. The new Centre President, Bolvitana, Vice President, Chirag Vitlani, Service Coordinators, Indi Jetwa, and Rupert Ward. Spiritual Coordinator, Nalini Randall, Bhajan Coordinators, Marine Enfrong, and Ramila Ferbera. Youth Coordinator, Vivek Chugani. Treasurer and Shadow Youth Coordinator, Kishan Sakari. I pray Bhagwan blesses each and every one of you in your new roles and for the future. Jai Sai Ram.
समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यम् भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यम् भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यम् भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यम् भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यम् भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यम् भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत् तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्